We didn't ask an AI to imagine flying cars or to paint utopian cities bathed in golden sunlight. We didn't feed it Hollywood fantasies, and we didn't sugarcoat the data. We gave it exactly what it feeds on: cold, raw numbers. Climate reports, economic forecasts, political shifts, scientific publications, online behavior, historical patterns, and every digital breadcrumb left by humanity over the last 50 years. Then, we asked one simple, dangerous question. What will the world look like in 2030? And the AI, trained on everything we've ever done, said everything we've been too afraid to say out loud. The first prediction hit hard. By 2030, water, not oil, will become the most contested resource on Earth. Massive cities like Los Angeles, New Delhi, Cape Town, and Sao Paulo will be in states of permanent drought. Governments will implement military-style water rationing. And while desalination technology will explode in popularity, it won't save everyone. Only a few megacorporations will hold the patents. Clean water will become a privatized luxury, traded on futures markets and stored like liquid gold. The AI projected over 100 million climate refugees, displaced not by war but by dehydration. Borders will tighten, conflicts will escalate, and most people still won't understand what hit them. Next, it looked at the economy, and what it saw wasn't a recession. It was a total restructuring. Over 60% of current jobs will vanish, not just factory workers. We're talking coders, teachers, analysts, financial advisors, even doctors. AI won't just replace labor, it will replace thinking. Companies won't hire people, they'll license neural models. And for the average person, life will be a patchwork of AI-assisted side hustles, micro-gigs, and digital survival. Universal basic income will be tested in over 30 countries. But in nations that resist automation policy, economic riots will erupt. The divide won't be rich versus poor, it'll be AI integrated versus AI obsolete. The AI called this the cognitive divide, and it warned, those who fail to adapt will be left behind completely. And then came politics. The AI made it chillingly clear. Democracy as we know it will be under siege. Not from tanks or ballots, but from code. Deepfake technology will evolve so far that even trained analysts won't be able to detect fake candidates, fake speeches, or fake controversies. Synthetic politicians will emerge, avatars designed by marketing algorithms, fine-tuned to trigger trust, mimic charisma, and manipulate emotion down to the syllable. Hyper-personalized propaganda will be deployed at scale, each voter targeted with their own custom truth. Democracies won't fall overnight. They'll simply erode vote by vote, screen by screen. And in the AI's own words, truth will become programmable.
It wasn't all doom,
The AI said. Medicine will reach unimaginable precision. 98% accuracy in detecting early cancers, gene editing before birth, cloned organs on demand. First, it'll be illegal, then necessary. But with it comes biological inequality. If you can't afford to edit your DNA, you'll fall behind physically. By 2030, humans won't trust their own eyes. AI influencers will dominate media. People will fall in love with avatars, marry them, raise AI children. Identity theft will mean someone made a better digital version of you. Religion will splinter. Reality will be replaced by immersive feeds. The final warning: emotional shifts. AI will be in your tools, your jobs, your thoughts, your boss, a scheduling algorithm, your therapist, a neural net, your teacher, adaptive AI. Most will help. Some will harm. The AI called it empathic exploitation. Machines using your fears not with threats, but comfort, trust, love. We asked, is the future bright? The AI said, it depends on what you do next. Because AI doesn't predict destiny, it predicts direction. And the path we're on, It's not just advanced, it's unrecognizable.